ladies from the Senior Center are here today, Shirley and Cheryl. We'd like to welcome them back, and here we are in December.
Oh, I know.
What happened to November?
I know. A lot of stuff going on at the Senior Center.
There is.
You can see they got all this stuff spread out in front of them. We got some flyers that we're going to show you. Who wants to start first? Okay, Cheryl's going to start first. And I don't think we have images of your flyers because we have mainly of the holiday ones.
No, I've only got a couple.
Yeah, but we'll talk about what you have first. You got some healthy events coming up?
Yeah, there's healthy events, but you know, at this time of the year, people get down. They're experiencing a lot of losses, and they somehow, it's very difficult for a lot of people and how to deal with it.
Yeah.
So Becky and Neil from O'Connor Mortuaries, they're going to come next Tuesday, and they're going to talk about dealing with the situation and how you can lift yourself up.
Very good. You know how you can lift yourself up? You go to the Senior Center.
Oh,
absolutely.
That's a nice.
No, but seriously.
No, that is true.
Yeah, being around people, it helps.
Just when these two ladies come in every Wednesday, every other Wednesday, I get lifted up.
There you go. Doesn't that brighten you up?
It does. It really
amazingly.
does. Yes.
And would you believe we're getting ready for 2019?
I know.
And we have a really good class starting, The Journey of Caregiving. This is for family caregivers that are dealing with 24-hour ongoing caregiving, and that is so stressful for people. So we have a three-part series. It's going to be one Wednesday a month.
Okay.
And
that starts this month?
It starts January 2nd.
Oh, okay.
But you have to sign up for it. So you just come to the Senior Center and we'll
that'll
get you
be
going.
Really important for people who are doing that. And we know a lot of people in this community, despite their age, they're caring for maybe a spouse.
That's right.
So they're caring for themselves and a spouse. Yeah.
Very hard.
Yeah. Very good.
Very difficult.
All right, so you've got some stuff you're going to talk about.
I got a whole
bunch of stuff.
And
what I did on screen is I kind of put these in order of dates that were sent to me.
We'll talk about what's on the screen.
Yeah. So so we got the first ones here. First, we want to mention the Holiday Bazaar. Yesterday, you were on with Leslie Coretti with the Professionals Club. We want to mention she's putting on this event on Saturday, and it's to benefit Meals on Wheels.
Meals on Wheels, absolutely. So we're very grateful to the Professionals Club for doing this. The bazaar, I believe, is from 10 to 2?
9 to 2.
9 to 2 at Clubhouse 7. So we're very grateful. And you can stop by their booth and see the things that they have for sale. And all the donations go to our Meals on Wheels program, which is huge.
Yeah,
and
so we wanted to mention that even though you were on yesterday, but it's good to show.
We're very
now,
grateful.
On the next one, we got another couple events that are going to be coming up. And, you know, December, you've got a lot of things.
It's a busy month. It's a busy month. Yeah.
I think there's something going on that. I'm looking here because it's a little bit easier for me to see.
We're going to do Country Christmas this Monday. And we've got Cowboy Jack coming, and he's going to do all country Christmas songs. So we're going to do some line dancing. We're going to do some fun stuff, and we're going to celebrate Christmas.
That'll be a lot of fun.
The country style. Yeah. So if you want to stop by, wear your boots, wear your hat, wear your chaps.
That'll be a lot of fun.
Just your boots, your hat, and your chaps. That's all you need to wear.
That's all we need.
Yeah. That's all you need.
All right. So that is on the 10th.
That's the 10th. That's right.
Yeah. And that'll be a lot of fun.
That's going to be fun.
12:30, and of course, look at barbecue chicken and macaroni and cheese and all kinds of good stuff.
We got everything but the horse.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Exactly.
And then the poinsettia luncheon.
We have poinsettia luncheon on the 12th. And we're going to celebrate the poinsettia. And then we're going to have a drawing at the end of the lunch, give away some gorgeous, gorgeous poinsettias.
Oh, that is nice.
So if you love the plant, even if you don't, come to lunch because we're having lasagna that day. So that's going to be great.
Yeah.
You know, many years ago, I planted one in long time ago in my front yard of this condo I used to have. And the funny thing was, it grew because it's very similar to a coleus plant. And during the summer, that's when I would get the red leaves because remember, these are produced
in Mexico.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
And the warmth forces the red leaves. So during the summer, I'd have this beautiful plant. During the winter, it was sticks because the leaves would fall off.
I can't grow these. I can't grow anything.
Yeah,
so
that's true.
So it's just whatever. So we're going to give away some beautiful, beautiful plants that day.
Fun.
Yeah, and we're just going to have a nice celebration.
And so then on the 13th, you have a jolly, ugly Christmas sweater.
Ugly Christmas sweater, and I know that some people wear these year-round, but
yours is fine, by the way.
Mine is fine, but mine, there's some ugly ones out there that weren't made to be ugly, but they're pretty ugly.
Yeah.
And so we're going to have a contest who has the ugliest Christmas
That'll
sweater.
be a lot of fun.
It'll be fun.
Yeah.
It'll be fun. So that's on the 13th.
I like that
That'll
idea.
be on. So if you have do you have an ugly Christmas sweater?
People might say that I do.
Yeah. And in
They're back there going, yeah, Ken, I wore one yesterday. They,
in your opinion, it was very nice looking.
Yes.
Last year, I wore a Christmas sweater with a big moose head on my chest.
Oh,
so
that
was uncomfortable and unusual.
Yeah, but that's a good one. That's
anyway,
what you should
very
wear.
popular.
Yeah. All right,
so that's on the 13th, right?
And on the 14th, we have, this is your cookies.
Yeah, cookies and carols, and the Harmoniers are going to be there to sing carols, and we're going to give out cookies, and we're going to sing Christmas carols. So we've got a whole week of stuff that is just crazy.
And all of these, by the way, are coincide with the lunch. So
absolutely. So cookies and carols is creamy rosemary chicken, and an eclair.
And broccoli florets. Let's not forget those.
That's the best part of the meal.
I miss Christmas cookies because my wife taught all these years, and now she kind of teaches the teachers. So she doesn't have that traditional cookie exchange, and she's at a different school, and so we're kind of sad about that.
Well,
she likes what she does, but she knew the perks during the holidays would kind of go away.
Absolutely.
She would bring home boxes, and
the kids would bring the stuff for the. Yeah, that's great.
So here's one: Christmas with Elvis.
Christmas with Elvis. That's on the 20th. That is going to be fabulous.
Yeah.
Elvis is reincarnated. And he's coming back on the 20th. He is so good. He is fabulous.
Yeah.
He's fabulous. So we're going to do.
Yeah, you've had him there before.
We've had him there before. He's very popular, and you would not know that that's not the real Elvis Presley. You would not know.
That's going to be a lot of fun.
He's got a great voice, and we're going to do some Elvis Christmas carols and some regular Elvis songs. So it's going to be fun. So I don't know why I did all this. I'm making myself tired thinking how busy I'm going to be.
He sang, what was the Elvis song? Blue Christmas.
Blue Christmas.
Blue Christmas Without You.
Exactly.
And then on the 21st.
That's our actual Christmas luncheon.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, and Santa Claus will be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I know that in the past there's been a problem because you keep wanting to sit on Santa's lap, and he keeps going, no.
He keeps telling me no, but this year, this is the year. I'll be on his lap this year.
Okay.
I'll be on his lap this year.
So, and then we'll finally, see, you keep planning all this stuff.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah, we have New Year's Eve.
New Year's Eve. with Precious Jade Teo. And she, have you ever heard her? She's very upbeat, and we're gonna have a New Year's party. Yes, I have heard her. So we're gonna ring in the New Year's on the actual 31st.
Every single day, there's something to go on.
I know. I'm
you'll need to take the week off. The first week of January.
We are. We're going to have to.
Yeah.
What possessed me?
Take a cruise.
Know what possessed me is because we love our seniors, and a lot of them don't have family for the holidays, and we're going to make the whole month of December a really, really fun place to come and a place to bring your coffee and hot chocolate and be part of our family.
To be alone. I mean, look at day after day, week after week. Yeah. Seriously, you can plan ahead. Are these flyers downstairs or on your website? So if people want to go,
well, they're in our newsletter.
Okay.
They're in our newsletter. You can come stop by the senior center and pick that up, or stay home and watch the reruns of this all week long.
All right, that's what you do.
But I do want to mention it is the time of giving. Tis the time of giving, and Age Well Senior Service, who owns and operates the Florence Sylvester Senior Center, is a nonprofit organization. So the time this time of year, if you're a giver, and keep us in your hearts and your minds with the Age Well Senior Services.
Yeah,
so we really appreciate it.
All of you do great work.
We do,
even beyond. It's more than just the senior center.
Right. Age Well's case management, transportation, the senior centers, Meals on Wheels, congregate program. So we're a great resource, and we are great. And Cheryl pats me on the back every day.
Yeah.
And
that's your pat.
There you go. Maybe she's trying to get you to move along because you're walking too slow. That could be it. You know, the ugly sweater thing. That's the one that.
That's going to be.
They're all going to be fun.
That's going to be great.
Good one. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We appreciate
Thank you for
it.
having us.
I know. Will we see you one more time? Yeah, we should.
Yes, right before Christmas. Yes.
All right, but a lot of these come up before that time. So take advantage of this. And you know, you don't need to be alone for the holidays. Seriously, I mean, you've got day after day after day.
That's right.
Of being with people if you want.
Come down and visit
Next
us.
time we'll wear Christmas sweaters.
Okay.
Even our ugly ones.
All right.
Even our ugly
Sounds
ones.
good.
Oh.
All right, we got to run. Take care. We'll be right back.